おはこんばんちは、ムーンちゃんです。ペピーです。In this lesson, we are gonna learn Japanese grammar, time and に。Here we go! 今日は買い物します。僕も行きます。いつ行きますか？ 11 時に行きます。お昼ご飯もそこで食べます。わーいThen let's learn the grammar. Okay. Time and particle に at, in, on. An example sentence. 11時に行きます。The particle に has many uses, but when it is used after a word that expresses time, it indicates the time when an action or event happens.For example, 8時に起きます。You need the particle に after the word indicating time. There are some exceptions. Words like 今日 are not used with the particle に。昨日行きました。There's no particle に after the word 昨日。And when using words such as day of week, the particle に is optional. 夜に勉強します。夜勉強します。The particle に is optional. In general, words that indicate time with numbers tend to be used with the particle に。Sentence construction.To make a sentence, you need to place time-related words and the particle に before verbs. 私は3時に来ました。Time-related word and particle に is placed before the verb. Then here are some example sentences. 毎日7時に帰ります。3月に日本に行きます。昨日ラーメンを食べました。新しい言葉、わかるかな？そこ。いつ。11
見てくれてありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe.
またね If you'd like to learn more Japanese grammar, check the left one. And if you'd like to learn Japanese kanji, check the right one. Bye!